Hey guys, this is Aaron. I want to talk today about mirroring in SketchUp. Now SketchUp doesn't have a mirroring command, but it does have a series of other commands that can be used to mirror geometry. The first most simple way to do this is with geometry like this. This is symmetrical geometry. So I look at this geometry, the top and bottom sides are the same. This section right here along the red axis and this section right here are the same, but obviously this side and this side are quite a bit different. So if I wanted to take that and mirror it so that the arrow is basically pointing the other direction, what I could do is select all the geometry and use the rotate command. I can grab this point right here and I could spin it around 180 degrees. So I can snap to 180 degrees, or I could actually type 180 degrees. Now I'll take my geometry and mirror it. Obviously, like I said, that only works in specific geometry. If I have something more complex, this obviously, if I took it and used the rotate command to spin it around, well, that's not mirrored, that's obviously just rotated. What I can do is I can take this geometry and I can use the scale command. With the scale command, I can grab one of these side handles, the center handles, and pull it across and let it snap to -1. It's down the lower right corner, it says -1. If I release that, now that is mirrored. I could do the same thing across these handles right here, get mirrored vertically, or I could actually go this direction too to mirror it upside down. So that is another option. Scale works very good to mirror geometry. There's another command though that is even quicker than that. If I flip to one of these, I have these two sets of geometry, same exact geometry, just copied. If I take this geometry, right click, and then I can use the flip along, and I'll say flip along the red direction, that will actually flip it, mirror it along the center of the geometry, so along the center of that mass, in the direction of the red axis. Same thing works along the green axis, so I have two of them here again. If I select just this geometry, right click, go to flip along, green direction, flip that geometry, and it works vertically too. So if I have a section geometry like this, I can grab this top section, right click, flip along, blue direction, and it'll give me that same geometry mirrored along the blue direction. So that's mirroring in SketchUp in a nutshell. Thanks.